Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to disable the downloading option for your videos on REDnote application and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to open your REDnote application on your device. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. From there, you need to tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, from here, you need to tap on the setting option. So once you tap on the setting option, it will bring you here. From here, you need to tap on the privacy settings. So once you tap on the privacy settings, here you will find allow download my videos. Here, allow download my videos, and it is enabled right now. So if you want others not to download your videos on REDnote, all you need to do is to disable this option. So once you disable this option, from now on, when you post your videos on REDnote application, nobody can download your videos inside the REDnote application. So guys, this is how you can disable not to download your videos on REDnote application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.